This lunch, what you just saw was the backbone of CNBC-TV18 to get you the incessant coverage of business news day in, day out. 23 glorious years and still counting. And thanks to all our viewers for their support that has been coming in to give us the confidence to deliver every day. Pavitra, we are celebrating here in the studios today.
Oh, absolutely. It's complete celebration time. And you know, though we're 23 years old, and that's a long time to be up and running, we're only just getting started. So once again, thank you to all of our viewers for staying with us, for, your continued support and loyalty all through the years. But for the markets right now, we are around 40 points lower on the Nifty. So that one is seeing a cut of around 0.25%. We started just at the flat line and have slipped since then. But the big policy cue, which was, what the markets were really waiting for, at least, Nisha, that is out of the way now.
That's right. But inflation concerns, that is something that cracked the markets today. If you really take a look at Nifty, Sensex, SBI, all of them cracked in the same momentum. But Axis Bank as well as ICICI Bank, two outliers amongst the banking space. Let's take to the big story of the day. Infosys, 9,300 crore rupees open market buyback has opened today. And Reema Tendulkar is right here to tell us all about this. Tell us, Reema.
Thanks so much for that. So first, some details about the Infosys buyback, which is open today. It's an open market buyback. The company will buy back shares in the open market starting today for the next 6 months at a maximum price of 1850 rupees per share. The overall size is 9,300 crore. The promoters will be participating in the buyback, and this buyback is a part of the company's capital allocation plan, where the company plans to return 85% of the free cash flow from FY20 to FY24. This would be the company's fourth buyback. The previous buyback was in 2021 and of a similar size, 9,200 crore. The last three buybacks, just to give you an indication of the kind of history, have been open market buybacks. This time as well, it's been an open market buyback, so that's clearly the preferred way for the company. ICICI Securities also very recently did some interesting analysis of how the stock price of Infosys has behaved before and after the buyback, and they're saying there's no clear correlation between the price gains and the buyback announcement as per the historical data for all the tier 1 IT companies. So particularly for Infosys, let's pull up those details up, and you would see the performance has been fairly disparate, but last two times the stock actually performed well once that buyback support came in. So the stock outperformed in the last two buybacks in the 1 month post the buyback. Back to you.
All right, Reema, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details on the Infosys buyback. But with that one link, we're out of time. This is what happens on policy days. But you guys stay tuned, because there's lots more news and updates that we're tracking once we come back.